Hi Team V! I'm back with some phonics. Another sound added to all the sounds you already know. Man, you already know so many. I'm so proud of you. So let's check out what sound we are going to make today. Let me peek. Whoa! This book says there's 4 ways to make this sound. I wonder what sound it can be. The sound is S. What letter or letters make the S sound? Yeah, that's right. Wow, you already know so much, friends. Let's take a look. The S sound here is made by a single S, like in the word seaweed. And here, it's made by a double S, 2 S's together, like in the word glass. Here, it's made by the letter C in the word cymbal. This instrument is a cymbal. And up here, you have the word muscle. This is made by an SC together. Wow! Let's check out all the ways we do the sound with all these words. Here we have a seesaw. These guys are about to have a kiss. That's a double S. Moving over to this little fella, he's a seal. Would you kiss a seal? Maybe, might be a bit slimy. Over here, this girl's giving a sweet smile. And down here, watch out, it's a ghost. Now here, the S sound is made by a C. When an E is after a C, the C makes the S sound, like in juice and cereal. Look, the E is after the C. So whenever the E is after the C, it makes an S sound. And we'll talk about a few other times the C makes the S sound. Down here is a chessboard. And look, a saucepan. This is very interesting. The first S sound is made by an S on its own. The second S sound is made by a CE. Saucepan. Here's another C followed by an E. That makes the C have an S sound, like in dice. Sunglasses has 2 ways to make the S sound, a single S at the beginning and a double S in the middle of the word. Oh, and actually a single S at the end too. This is a lesson, and right now you're having a lesson on phonics. That's a double S. Moving over, we have scissors. When I was young and I read the word, I used to call them skizzers. They are not skizzers, they are scissors. Look, the word scissors has 3 ways to make the S sound. SC, double S, and single S, scissors. Here we have a police person, and that is a CE. The E is after the C. Now here's another time where the C makes an S sound. When a C is followed by a Y, it makes an S sound, like in unicycle. This is a single S for string. We have a double S for a chessboard. And up here we have a SC for the beginning sound in science, and a CE as the second sound in science. There's one more way to make the S sound that's not listed here, and it's when an I follows a C, like in circle, CI. So when you see a CY, a CE, or CI, That C is going to make the S sound. Thanks so much for joining us today on Phonics, friends. I hope you learned a lot about the S sound. It's very interesting that it can be made so many different ways. All right, let's do our handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys.